Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to bring desktop icons back. Sometimes the desktop icons like control panels, admin and my computer may disappear from the screen or it may be deleted by mistake. Now I will show you how to bring them back. Now first of all I am deleting these four icons. I'm pressing delete. Now they are disappeared from the screen. Now we will see how to bring them back. Just right click, go to the personalize, just click on it, go to the themes. Now we will click on the desktop icon settings, just click on it. Now here you will find the names like computer, users, file, network and control panel. You just have to click those who want back, just click on it. Now just apply and press OK. Now we can see all these items are on our screen. Yeah, they all are appeared on the screen. One more thing, we can also change their icons. Now again here if I click on this PC and there is the option of change icons, just click on it. Here you will find a lot of icons. If you like this mobile symbols, you can click on it and just press OK, and you'll find our this PC icon has been changed. Like this you can change these four icons. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Stay tuned, stay updated, stay technical. Have a good day.